leaving Las Vegas, folks. Leaving Las Vegas. It's a sad thing. Yes, Caesar's Palace. Goodbye. Where have I been all my life? Where have I... Shut the fuck up, bitch. Slut. I know what you did last summer, bitch, slut, liar. Hello and welcome to Rusty Leisure. Leaving Las Vegas. Significant mates. Just checked out the Caesars. Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Caesar's Palace. I'm leaving Las Vegas. I'm not really sad, but I'm not made of money. I've got to say, why ain't women's song a good time for a good bloke? You can't go wrong here, mates. Bugsy was right. Go in the desert when nobody's looking over your shoulder. Roll some dice, drink some moonshine. Have a couple of women. Hey, boss. I'm thinking about going to the desert. You can play cards and get away from the squares. Hello, mates. Rusty Leisure. Leaving Las Vegas. That's all I got to say. You can't stay here forever. Or could you? Maybe make enough money to buy the Bellagio? Perhaps? Rusty Leisure, go fuck yourself!